Alright. I'm gonna make my first invention. You ready for this shit?
Yes.
I'm already pressed. What? Wait, give me a second.
Oh, sorry to interrupt your beach party, everyone. Just thought I'd stop by with my car. 4 wheels, 1 key. I must be truly blessed. Life is a school and I'm passing the test. 2 engine headlights, 4 functional seats, and get a load of these pedals that I can push with my feet. There's an AM radio that kicks you right in the ass. So turn down the treble, baby, and crank up the bass. I own a car.
Got my 4-wheeler.
Look out, it's beige, the coolest kind of brown a human can handle. Thank God that you're sitting down. Check out these windows, they're totally clear, so you can watch in amazement as stuff gets more near. Do you believe in miracles? We're shooting off like a star. Who needs a license, mama? When you got a car,
Here we go!
Oh yeah! Oh my God, it's working!
Whoa!
Oh my God, you genius!
Danger is looking around every turn. Trust your feelings, got to live in. Oh shit!
You're out of batteries.
Oh, we're gliding. We're gliding.
Whoops!
Whoa! Boy, that really sunk in there. Hold on, I got a little more juice.
Bro, I thought you were stupid as hell. But as it turns out, you're only dumb as rocks.
You ready for another flight?
Yeah.
Yes, actually.
Like the fucking Valkyries, baby. Here we go. Ba-ba-na-na.